Well, it's the Wandering Canucks, and we are on Star Pride, which is a small ship run by Windstar. We are in the Atlantic Ocean between New York City and Bermuda. The seas they call moderate. The swell, they say, was about 9 feet, 3 meters. And there certainly is some action here when you look at the height of the water as we roll slightly up and down. There is a little bit of forward and backward motion as well. Haven't had any issues with motion sickness, but I'm sure there's a few people that are not feeling their best. Lots of water action. If you're into that, we're cruising at about 12 knots according to the captain. Making reasonably good time, I gather. Have any of you cruised on a small ship? This has a passenger capacity of 312 passengers. We are not full because it is a repositioning cruise and there's multiple days at sea. So some people definitely don't like that. They want to be in a different port every day. We'd love to hear your comments. We love your likes. We'd love a subscription. We're the Wandering Canucks, wandering out at sea.